What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we're going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error CE-41829-4 is external SSD error. So I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we go to the settings and then simply go to the storage. Here we are at the storage, and here you simply get the external SSD, but here is no external SSD, just a system storage. Then simply go back. Here's the system storage. Go back. Here's the devices. The upper one is the devices. Go to the devices. Here we go. Login settings, network notifications. Here's the devices, and then USB storage devices. Here you must connect your USB or external hard. Must be a 3.0 or up to 3.0, and after that it will be work, and you must format as a file on your PlayStation 4, and after that it will be work. So if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like, and if you want any help or a query just leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic.